For protection during transport, the Evolution components are delivered with edge protectors on a pallet. When cutting the film open, be careful not to damage the panel surface. The hex wrench is included in the scope of delivery. The included instructions show the label and correct position of each component. If you are installing frost heave prevention heating, lay the wiring as illustrated in the assembly instructions. Position the sensor as centrally as possible. Place the spacers in the positions shown in the instructions. Compensate for small amounts of unevenness in the floor with metal shims. Ensure that the plates do not rest on the heating wires if using. Next, remove the protective film from around the edges of the floor panels where the panels will lock together. Begin laying the floor panels and lock them together. To assemble the wall panels, again remove the protective film from around the edges. Then, position 2 corner panels and lock them. Use your level to check if the panels are true. Work your way to the front of the walk-in until all panels are in place. Once all panels, including the ceiling, are assembled, remove the protective film from the walls and ceiling. Push the cover caps into the recesses of the hook locks. Sealing is not required by the system. However, you can caulk the joints as needed. Install and connect the control box for the heating if using. Connect any other electrical connections in a socket and lay a power supply line. Ensure that the door is true by adjusting the screws on the face of the hinges with a screwdriver. Adjust the door lock latch so that it closes properly. Once the work inside the cell is complete, remove the protective film from the floor. Finally, position the optional access ramp in front of the door. Your Evolution walk-in cooler is ready to use.